I gave you my heart.
How to become topper in Class 9 standard? In Class 9, main subjects are mathematics, social science, which includes history, economics, geography, civics, etc. Then science, English, Hindi or Sanskrit. You need to give 1 hour to each subject, except maths. Maths require more practice, so better allocate 2 hours for it. Tip number 2. Study smartly. In starting, you have to do a little hard work. Then it is smart work to keep the tempo going all the way. Tip number 3. Study with complete concentration. Don't try to fool anyone, cause in the end, you will be fooling yourself. Tip number 4. Stay disciplined with your teachers. Study as per their schedule. In the end, they are the ones who will give you record and practical mark. So try to be your teacher's pet. Tip number 5. Practice as many sample papers or previous year question papers and try to improve a good handwriting. Now let us take an example of the study timetable. 5:30 a.m. to 6 a.m. It's wake up time. Freshen up, like wash your face, drink 2 glasses of water in an empty stomach, do some breathing exercise and plan your day. Think and list down your plans of your day in a notebook or paper. 6 a.m. to 8 o'clock. Study your most difficult subjects. It can be maths or science. Spend 2 hours with 10 minutes break. 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Exercise, take a bath and have a healthy breakfast. 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. I assume that this is the timing of your online classes. And if not, then just change the timings and adjust to your preference. During your online classes, take efficient notes, take breaks, and stay hydrated. 1 p.m. to 2:15 p.m. A 1 hour break to relax. You can check out your phone, have your lunch, and also take a power nap for 30 to 45 minutes to recharge your energy. 2:15 p.m. to 4 p.m. Learn your medium subjects. For example, social science or any other subject which you prefer. Take 10 to 15 minutes break in between too. 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Take rest and enjoy your break time. Go out for walking, spend time with your family, etc. etc. 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Daily make a practice of solving previous year question papers or do some assignments, complete your notes and projects. 7:15 p.m. to 9 p.m. Study your favorite subjects. Also take 10 to 15 minutes break in between. 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Break time, have a light dinner and relax. And go to sleep. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for my latest new videos. Bye!